we have a house to live. For birds, animals and insects, what is the house? What is their house? Their house is a tree. All these creatures would become homeless if trees are cut down. If we will cut a tree, then all these creatures, the birds, animals, insects, will become homeless. If more and more trees are cut down, all the forests would be destroyed. The air would become unclean and harmful for all living creatures. What will happen if more and more trees are cut down and the forest would be destroyed? What would happen? The air would become unclean and harmful. It will become harmful for all living creatures, that we don't get oxygen to breathe. Many type of animals and birds would die out completely if forests are destroyed. If forests are destroyed, the many type of animals and birds would die, because the tree is a house for the animal and birds. They can't live without trees. So if the forests are destroyed, the many type of animals and birds would die. We use trees for many purposes. As human beings, we use trees for many purposes. What things we get from trees? Fruits, vegetables, and the tree fully is used for many medicinal purpose. Like a neem tree is fully used for a medicinal purpose. Like more trees are there which are used for medicinal purpose. So as a human being, we use trees for many purpose. Sometimes we become greedy and destroy forest thoughtlessly for our own gain. Sometime what happen? We become greedy and destroy the forest for our own gain, for ourselves. Cutting down of trees should be kept under check. If the trees are cut, so there should be kept under check, that how many trees are cut. So it should be balanced by planting new trees. If the trees are cut, so it should be it should be kept under check, that how many trees are cut, and it should be balanced by planting new trees. We should value them because they help us in many ways. We should value the trees because it helps us in many ways. So hope you have all understood that what the tree is saying, and we should not cut trees. If the trees are cut, it should be balanced by planting new trees. And what the tree is helpful for us in many ways. Now we go to the next part, this workout. Tick yes or no. Tick for the yes or no. Trees are non-living beings. Trees are non-living beings. No. So you have to tick it on no. Trees give shelter only to birds. No, it gives shelter to animals, insects, even to the human beings also. Destroying forests will make birds and animals homeless. Sorry children. The second one it will become no over here. Destroying forests will make many birds and animals homeless. Yes. Trees keep the air clean. Yes, trees keep the air clean. Cutting down of trees should be balanced by planting new trees. Yes, cutting down of trees should be balanced by planting new trees. The second one is no. Sorry, it is by mistake I have ticked in the S. The question answers are there. The notes I will give. I will send it afterwards. Now we go to the next page. Look at the two pictures. Can you spot differences between them? The two pictures are there. You have to spot the differences between the two pictures. Here some questions are given. You have to answer the questions. What has caused these differences? What is here and what is there? What has caused these differences? Here the nature is very good, and here in river there is no water and the animals are very thirsty, and there is a factory and the smoke from the factory affecting the nature. Has the forest changed for the better? Has the forest changed for the better? No. This forest is good, and here it is. The changes is good. It is better. No. It affect the human being also, and animals, birds, and everything. What can be done to remove these differences? What can be done to remove these differences? What the differences are? Here the trees are bunchy, it is well grown, but here the trees are, it become, because of the smoke the trees are affected, and the river is also affected, the animals are also affected, and the forest become very dry. So what can be done to remove the differences? What can be done? You have to take the factory from here. You have to remove the factory from here. After removing the factory from here, the smoke will also stop, and the differences will be, there is no difference between the two forests. So hope you have all understood. The chemicals, the smoke from the factory is affecting the forest. What can you do?